afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
So we have studied about different types of dyes. Okay. Today we are going to study about a very specific dye, which is applied for a very useful member in the society. Okay. So earlier days, people were searching for uniforms for all types of people in the society. Okay. Can you tell me few of the people who helps us for a peaceful living? Soldiers, doctors, army people, police. Okay, right. So military people, police people, and then medical practitioners, they help us for a peaceful, healthy living, right? So here, this case study is all about uniforms for police. Okay, who helps us to have a peaceful living. So what type of fabric or what type of uniform we can provide for them? What are the properties the fabric should have? It should be very thick. So durability, the dye should have durability. It should not get dirty easily because they wear it in the whole for the whole day. It should not get dirty. So with all these aspects, a particular industry was searching for a particular dye which will suit all the needs. Okay, that industry has successfully come out with in identifying a particular dye, namely mineral cotton. Okay, mineral cotton. How do we call the uniform of police? Khaki uniform. Right. So the same word comes from this mineral khaki only. This mineral khaki is also called as metallic khaki. Okay, you may ask me why we call it as metallic khaki. Okay. This color comes from different metal oxides. There are many metal oxides present on the Earth's surface. Sodium oxide, chromium oxide, potassium oxide, calcium oxide, all those things. So based on the different metal, the colors vary, the oxides color vary. So these oxides are applied to this police uniforms or its cotton fabrics, and they are used as police uniform. Okay, so that's why we call them as metallic cotton. Now, do we have only one color cotton uniform? There are different shades. Okay, so when you alter the metal present, you can have sometimes orange also. Okay, nowadays we use only it is brownish, greenish only, but orange shades are there, and then dark blue shades are there, green shades are there. All those things are also part of this mineral khaki or metallic khaki. Okay, what type of fabric they use? Do they use silk, wool, or cotton? Cotton. Why they can't use wool? Because they wear for the entire day. Why they can't use wool? So Indian climate, does it suit wool? No. So for Indian climate, it is very hot. Usually summers are not. So we have provided them with cotton uniforms. Okay, and this mineral khaki is also very specific for dyeing cotton fabrics. Okay, when you dye this mineral khaki for silk or wool, for especially for silk, what is the specialty about silk? Lusher. Okay, so lusher, then shine, then glossy appearance. For that only rich appearance. For that only it will be silk. But when you apply this mineral khaki to silk, then lusher is dull. It will become dull. Okay, the lusher becomes reduced. So this particular metallic khaki or mineral khaki cannot be applied for silk. Okay, it is better to apply for cotton. Okay, so when you want different shades, you can go for different metallic oxides, and this will help the different uniforms to be colored differently. Okay, so what are the other properties which we expect from a dye? Normally, when it is a dye, what are the properties we expect? Color fastness, very good. So color fastness, what are the color fastness? Light. Then water, washing fastness. Okay. These two are excellent for mirroring. Okay, so when you take washing fastness, the color won't be. When you take light fastness, it will not get faded. So you can always expect durability in the dye. Okay, so this is how this mineral coffee and textile coffee is made suitable for police vehicles. Okay, so we have different categories of dyes. You cannot use direct dye, you cannot use wrap dye, you cannot use reactive dyes, sulfur dye, azoic dyes, etc. But mineral coffee or metallic coffee is a specific dye which is applied for police vehicles. It also it can be applied for military uniforms also. And some of the rough surfaces, for example, when you have a suitcase, earlier days are not, for a suitcase they used to have cover. That cover is made up of this particular item. Okay, likewise, this mineral coffee and metallic coffee forms application in other ways also.